I'm from Georgian National Wheelchair Dance Sport Federation. I'm a dancer and founder of this federation. So we have 3 directions right now. It's a wheelchair dance sport. The second one, which is my passion, is inclusive performing arts. And this is inclusive dance theater. And the third one is education. So right now I'm interested in co-production, co-working, because, you know, we lack professionals in Georgia.
So I come from the field of museum. I work for the International Council of Museums in Georgia, and I work for also Georgia National Museum. From in Georgia, we are doing mainly for the training and education of the Georgian museum specialists and to develop museum field in Georgia. And we are in the process of to transform the specialist skills and competencies into the 21st century standards. And I work there in terms of development and education.
I'm from the small city in the southern Ukraine. I represent the NGO Organised, and our main activities focus on urbanism issues, public art in public spaces, and also we're dealing with the promotion and salvation of the cultural and historical heritage. Deal with the controversial pages of our past just to prevent manipulation of the historical truth. Also, we practice such methods as site-specific art and invite artists to explore not only the museum collections but also the museum environment and invent socially engaged activities to attract the locals to the uniqueness, to rethink the uniqueness of their territories.
Hello everyone, my name is Alexander Gurlov. I'm from Moldova. I'm a filmmaker. Although I like the term storyteller probably better than filmmaker, because you can still tell stories for much cheaper than make film. We've recently finished an animated short film that I'm babysitting through festivals right now, and we'll continue to do so until probably spring or next year. And otherwise, being an unemployed artist between projects, looking for the next thing to do.